Hi, I'm JB, co-founder of Marketing 360. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick demo of Marketing 360 websites powered by Websites 360. You access your website in the same way that you access all the other great business management and marketing tools included in the Marketing 360 platform. Simply click Website from the dashboard or the app menu to get started. Start by selecting one of our professional starting point designs or create your own from scratch. All designs can be easily customized to fit your brand and industry. Need help? No problem. Upgrade your free account to a paid plan and work with one of our talented project managers and designers to design a site that drives you business at no additional cost. Once your website is set up, you'll have a dashboard that looks like this that walks you through getting started with things like adding content, customizing your design, adding your logo, fonts, and more. Click the Design tab to edit your site from the design view. Simply click and edit to customize the design the way you'd like. No coding required. Preview your design on different devices to make sure it looks great on various screen sizes. Like what you see? Click Publish to update your live website. Go to the Content tab to see all your pages in one place. Reorganize them, create new pages, and edit existing pages with ease. Adding new content to a page is simple. Just click and select the type of content you'd like to add in seconds. Want to turn your website into a modern online store? The Shop app gives you all the tools you need to manage your products, inventory, and more so you can compete and win online. Best part is your website seamlessly integrates with the rest of the Marketing 360 platform, including CRM, forms, payments, email automation, scheduling, analytics, and more. Success starts with a modern integrated website. Success starts with a Marketing 360 website. If you'd like to learn more, visit our online knowledge base at support.marketing360.com or go to marketing360.com and create your free account today. Thanks for watching and considering Marketing 360 as the platform you use to manage and grow your business.